In this task, you'll begin with an existing QGIS map document that contains data for Baltimore City. You'll learn how to determine the Coordinate Reference System, or CRS, for both the individual GIS layers and the overall map. The CRS has three main components: the projection or coordinate system, the datum, and the coordinate units. Here I have QGIS Desktop open with the Lab 3 QGIS file loaded. I'll start by investigating the spatial reference of the Neighborhoods layer. I'll open the layer properties for the Neighborhoods layer and click on the General tab. The Coordinate Reference System section shows that the Coordinate Reference System is EPSG code 102685, NAD83, State Plane, Maryland, FIPS 1900 feet. Going back to the components of a CRS, this can be broken down as having a coordinate system of State Plane, Maryland, a datum of NAD83, and coordinate units in feet. Now that I've discovered my layer's CRS, I'll close the Layer Properties window. If you check the CRS of the other two layers, you'll find them to be in the same CRS, so all three layers are in the same CRS. Now I'll investigate the projection of the map. To do this, I'll click on the Project menu and open Project Properties, and I'll choose the CRS tab. In QGIS, not only do the individual map layers have a CRS, but the map does as well. Here you can see that the map is in the same CRS as the map layers. Now I'll close the Project Properties window. Now I'll add some data mapped during a field survey, and the data has already been converted to a shapefile. To do this, I'll click the Add Vector Data button, and I'll browse to my lab data folder. In the Open an OGR supported vector layer window, I'll set the file type filter to Esri shapefile, and choose the Baltimore Clinics shapefile. I'll click Open and Open to add this to my map. I'll investigate the CRS of this layer by opening the Layer Properties, and again going to the General tab. Here I see that this layer is in a different CRS. It's in WGS84, which is a geographic coordinate system. Since a QGIS map can only be in one coordinate space, why are these clinics lining up with the rest of the data which we know to be in State Plane? I'll close the Layer Properties window. To answer this, I'll click on the Project menu and open up Project Properties. Notice that at the top of the window, the Enable On-the-Fly CRS Transformation option is enabled. Initially it was not. On-the-Fly CRS Transformation is a feature whereby QGIS projects data layers that are in a different CRS from the map into the CRS of the map. It's very convenient for cartography because you can bring together map layers from different sources and different CRSs and have them align properly. I'll close the Project Properties window. I'll right-click on the Neighborhoods layer and from the Context menu, choose Set Project CRS from Layer. This is a convenient way to set the CRS of your map. Notice in the lower right-hand corner, the EPSG code of the map is displayed. The OTF indicates that on-the-fly transformation is enabled. In the next task, you'll join tabular data to the attribute table of a layer.